Sikowski's bus. And I'm sure that motor is starting to make all sorts of internal noises. Van Kott's bus, you just can't hit with the rear end anymore, so we're kind of at the crossroads here, if you will. And Van Kott, he's still trying to avoid using his front end to hit. And I think it's a mistake. I think if he really wants to finish Sikowski off, he's got to go square to the front of Sikowski's bus. He can't commit to doing it. Uh-oh. Oh, still running. Oh, really? Could be Van Kott's bus is out of gas. And I don't mean figuratively out of gas. Van Kott's bus has stopped running. Oh, man. The Z-Man is making the last hit, so he is the last bus running. And folks, I think we got ourselves a winner.